Introducing the spring-loaded laundry cart, the ultimate solution for ergonomic and efficient linen handling in commercial environments. Designed with a spring-actuated lift system, this cart automatically adjusts its platform height as the load decreases, ensuring your employees always have a comfortable working level. Crafted from heavy-duty steel or aluminum, it boasts a robust construction that can support up to 150 kilograms, making it perfect for even the busiest of laundry facilities. The self-leveling feature not only reduces physical strain, but also boosts productivity by streamlining the linen handling process. Available in various sizes and customizable to meet your specific needs, the spring-loaded laundry cart is low maintenance and built to last. Whether you're managing a hotel, hospital, or large-scale laundry operation, this cart is your go-to for enhancing workplace safety and efficiency. Choose the spring-loaded laundry cart where innovation meets reliability.